Hello everyone, in this lesson we will learn the research process and we will download and install the Smart PLS and SPSS software. So first of all, let us see the research process. So when we will conduct any research study or we write any research paper, there are some common chapters including the introduction, literature review, methodology, findings, results, discussion, conclusion, limitation and further research guidelines. So basically in this course we will demonstrate these findings or results chapter, the result from the analysis of data in Smart PLS and SPSS, some basic analysis in SPSS, after that the main analysis in Smart PLS 4. So in the introduction chapter we basically introduce our topic. After that we do some literature review, the previously published studies on this particular topic, and we develop some hypothesis and give support of those hypotheses. After that we write the methodology chapter. In the methodology we mention how we have collected our data, then how we have collected the measurement items of the variables that we are using in this study. After that we after collecting the data, we analyze the data. After analyzing, we demonstrate the findings, and in the discussion chapter we compare those findings with the previous studies that we have mentioned in the literature review. After that we conclude our findings. Finally we denote the limitations, and if any further research scopes are there, then we show those scope. So after that, now we will see how we can download and install our software SPSS and Smart PLS. So let us go to the Smart PLS software. First of all, you have to go to the smartpls.com. Here you can see how the software works. There are some versions called student version and professional version. So in the student version you will be able to use this version with free of cost but some limited offerings. But in the professional professional version you can have many opportunities, many options. However, you have to pay for the price. But first thing first, you can use the software for the 3 days for the first time. That means the 30 days trial is available here. So for this you have to download the software. After downloading, you will see that register for free trial, and you have to give your email and your name. Then you have to click here and submit. After that, in your email you will get a license, and by using that license you can able to use the software as a trial for 30 days. After 30 days you have to purchase the license. The professional license are available here. For academics, for 1 month the license fee is shown here. You can order the license from this particular option. So I have purchased for 1 month this academic license. Now this is the software. This is how it looks like. So say the license option, this is valid and this is showing here. So after that I will show you how you can install the SPSS software. I will provide you with the SPSS software in the Google Drive link. You just click the software and install it. After installing, I will give the data set that I will be using in this study to demonstrate the analysis. You have to insert the data set. Say for example, you have to go to file, then you have to go to open, then data. Then say for example, you have to locate from where you are going to include the particular data set. Say for example, I have gone there and this is the data set, and you have to click open, then you have to click OK. As already I have inserted the data in SPSS, that's why this particular message is shown. After that, in the SPSS we will use some basic analysis. Just say for example, we will go to the frequency analysis, then some descriptive analysis, mean, standard deviation, skewness, kurtosis and so on. After that we will move to the Smart PLS software and we will analyze the structural equation modeling, our model, and we will present the results and report the findings in APA format. And see you in the next lectures.